Hello everyone. We are students from the Lycée Français of Valencia. We are fortunate to be part of the AFE network that connects all the Lycée Français in the world. This allows us to be united above all else. However, we want that union to go further. That is why today we want to share an important message with you about a cause that affects us directly. Valencia, our city, is a vibrant and beautiful place on the east coast of Spain. It's a city we are proud to call home, not just for its history and culture, but for the warmth and solidarity of its people.
But on the 29th of October 2024, we witnessed something that changed us forever. A powerful Dana brought devastating flash floods, and while Valencia's center was spared, nearby towns were not as fortunate. We saw streets turned into rivers, homes destroyed, and families left with nothing. It was heartbreaking to see the pain in the eyes of those who lost loved ones or everything they owned in just a matter of hours. Imagine if this was your city. Wouldn't you be heartbroken?
In the face of this tragedy, the Valencian people came together like never before. A massive wave of solidarity arose with thousands of volunteers stepping in each week to clean, donate, and comfort the affected communities. The spirit of compassion soon spread beyond our city, with help arriving from other regions of Spain. Food, cleaning supplies, and support poured in from everywhere. We joined others to clean streets, distribute supplies, and provide comfort to those who needed it the most. Seeing this compassion firsthand inspired us and showed us the power of unity.
However, the recovery is far from over. Over 2 months later, many families and schools in the affected areas are still struggling to rebuild their lives. This is why we are reaching out to you. Who do we have to give the money to? We need your help. We kindly ask for you to support in 2 ways. First, symbolic gestures. Send us your drawings, positive messages, or postcards to lift the spirits of the victims. Second, financial contributions. Donations will go directly to schools in the most affected areas like the CIP, L'Horta de Pa y Porta. If we raise enough funds, we hope to extend our help to other schools as well. Every little bit counts.
Together, we can help rebuild not just buildings, but also the hope and resilience of those who lost so much.